Let's make some clouds with some lovely circles. Maybe we can make this a little long here. Okay, we got our clouds. Okay. So for looks, how large can we make this? What is the max size? 999. Okay, that is actually kind of good. So, let's create a variable cam x, cam y. So now we got these two little stats here. So what I want this to do, I want when the scratch cat moves, when you move left and right, I want the camera to move along with it. So what I want, 5, let's just, oh, whoops, let's just change it like 5 and -5 uh, over here. So now when I move, it should change these values, which is what I want. And that's perfect. Okay. And then when I jump, I also want cam X to change by I, or duplicate, change cam Y by I, or not X, Y. So when I press space, cam Y also changes by that amount. But I don't really want it to change by that much. That's quite a large number for it to be changing by. So let's just say, uh, wait, actually, no, that is correct technically. So with these clouds, so this is the max size it can be. So let's make it start that way. And also put it in, once it starts, put it in a forever loop where it goes to the X and Y of cam. It also needs the offset, the Y offset. So we do cam Y, cam X, but it shouldn't move that much. So let's make it move half as much. So let's put that right, no, right there. Then we can put that right there. And what's its current Y? 120? That's perfect. So now that we have this, okay, so that's great. Problem is it needs to be opposite. So I got this wrong because right now the clouds are moving along with. All right, and that is also wrong. So I need to change that as well. So made a couple mistakes, but that's all right. And then this background also needs to change. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to erase this green right here, and I'm going to make that a separate sprite of green, which will be slightly darker because you don't really see a really bright green all that much. Oh, can I not? Oh, okay. Here we go. Let's just create a nice green. Okay, so let's layer this behind Scratch Cat and also make it just slightly bigger. Let's say 120. Yeah, that's perfect. Make this slightly lower. Make this a little more even. Make it 160. Perfect. Okay. And layer it behind. So go to, oh, can't, that's interesting. Okay, well, go back 5 layers. Okay, perfect. So that's great, but it seems that Scratch Cat is behind the clouds. So let's actually move Scratch Cat to the absolute front. So when you press start, Scratch Cat is up front. I have the hiccup-em-ups. Okay, and then we move this, except we change a couple things. So we don't set size to 999, and we don't need an offset of 120. We need an offset of negative 160. So that, oh, well, we don't really need the X. So that can stay at 0. But that works great. And this is all running on Windows 2000, which is awesome. You got this semi 3D looking, well, not 3D. It's very much 2D. But it's cool that we have this little action going on here. And also I just noticed that you can keep moving if you're touching the edges. So let's fix that. So let's set everything to, okay, and let's also make so when the when it starts, it sets cam X and Y to 0 and sets Scratch Cat's position to negative 110, 0. Oh, wait, actually no, 0 and negative 30. Okay, so that almost works great. Okay, so once we have this, if left arrow is pressed after Scratch Cat moves, it will it will try to detect if Scratch Cat is touching the edge. If Scratch Cat is touching the edge, what it will do, it will basically do the opposite of what happened here. So it'll subtract by 5 and plus 5. Same thing with this. Oh, I keep pressing help because I'm used to duplicate being on the top. Not used to Scratch 1.0 or 1.4. So that is great. There is a little visual glitch going on, but that's all right. I guess we don't really need, uh, actually, yeah, we do, because or else it wouldn't really be in line. But now Scratch Cat is sort of in the confines of this screen space. Now since the clouds are a little further away, we can always set either this to be more sensitive to the Y or less with, or yeah, this more sensitive, or let's just set this less sensitive. So let's say like 0.3. Maybe a little less, 0.1. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. And then let's also set this to be slightly slower as well, like 0.4, so it doesn't move quite as fast. All right, that's great. Now maybe we can add something like a sun in the background, because we always gotta have a sun. Otherwise, why would the sky be blue? There wouldn't be any light without the sun. I don't think you can move that. Is there an undo? Yeah, there is. It's a little large. There we go. Look at that sun. Yeah, look at it. Look at that peeking out behind the clouds. All right. Can't really see it all that well with it covered by the clouds, so let's adjust that. Let's let's cover that up and let's pick a different spot, like right here. Actually, let's have it a little closer. Uh, Not quite. A little higher. That's good. All right. Look at that. It's like the perfect spot. You're gonna have it behind the clouds. Little visual glitches going on. But other than that, this is a pretty functional project. You can have Scratch Cat having a grand old day in the sun, jumping around. He's so happy. Maybe we can. I don't know what to do. This is pretty cool. Share this project. Save this project. Project author. All right. About this project. New file name. Scratch Cat in the Sun. Play as Scratch. Play play as play as Scratch Cat in the Sun. Yes. Made on Windows 2000, believe it or not. Well, actually, it's very believable. It has it listed on this site that it's compatible with this. I wonder if you can share your Scratch web. Wait, does this actually show your password? No, it doesn't. That's great. I wonder if it'll even work. Here, I guess I could do it on my alt. Your Scratch website login name, Zamora Fam Art. I wonder if, is this my password? Let's see if it actually succeeded. So from what I'm seeing, it doesn't really look like it has done anything. I don't know, maybe if I log into my other account, maybe it will show. But I have doubts. I have doubts. But oh, what's this? No, no way. That's actually really awesome. Wow. Wow, I wasn't expecting that to work. Okay, using a VM, you can do this. That's awesome.